Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code 0xcaa80000 and Windows. So why does the Microsoft Teams with the error code 0xcaa80000 strike? It could be a shaky internet connections or system security settings like outdated ALS protocols, corrupted app files, and mismatch date and time settings. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the internet connections troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, and then you need to select other troubleshooters, and then here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select network and internet, and on right side, and then you need to click this run. So you can see here everything's the step-by-step method and instructions to fix the error. Alright, so you need to follow one by one. Everything information's detail here are complete, so you need to follow all of these steps. Alright, so once you're done here, and then close the settings, and the other method or solutions we will do is to verify date and time settings. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type control panel, and then click open. And once you open up here at control panel at top right corner, and then you need to click this signs, and then you need to select large icons to see all settings. And then next step, so you need to select date and time, so click the settings and pop up this date and time settings. So in the next step, then you need to select this internet time tab, so click. And the next step, you need to click this change settings. And then next step, so you can see here the internet time settings. So configure internet time settings. So all you have to do is to check this box, this synchronize with an internet time server. So check this box. And on right side, then you need to click this update now. And then next step, then click OK. Alright, so once you're done here, and then close this settings at here at start menu, and then you need to restart your PC. Alright, so click only restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Teams with the error code 0xcaa80000 and Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.